Alternate cruise ports, a cruise line extension, and 2 more dry docks. Cruise News Today starts now.
From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, March 27th. Cruise ships are being forced to find a new home after the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapsed early Tuesday morning. Now, Carnival legend will use the Half Moon Cruise Terminal in Norfolk, Virginia for the foreseeable future. It'll also be returning there this weekend. Now, Royal Caribbean, who also has a ship based in Baltimore, said they are working with operations to determine the next step. They have confirmed that they will not be returning to the port. Their ship, Vision of the Seas, isn't due back until April 4th. Norwegian Cruise Line is also sailing from Baltimore this year, but does not currently have ships sailing from the city. If you're sailing from the Baltimore region, definitely keep in touch with your cruise line. And the Jacksonville Port Authority and Carnival Cruise Line have extended their partnership, allowing Carnival to continue operating from Jacksport until at least 2026, with potential extensions up to 2030. The agreement ensures that the 2,600 passenger Carnival Elation will continue offering 4- and 5-night cruises to the Bahamas from Jacksport's North Cruise Terminal and will stay home ported as their vessel. The cruise industry in Jacksonville contributes to nearly 800 jobs and generates over $187 million annually for Northeast Florida. And 2 cruise ships have entered dry dock over in Freeport, Bahamas. They are busy, busy, busy. Royal Caribbean's Grandeur of the Seas has entered for maintenance and a refresh. And at the same time, Carnival Cruise Line's Carnival Freedom joined the Grand Bahamas Shipyard unexpectedly after its funnel was struck by lightning on Saturday afternoon. Freedom had to cancel its next 2 sailings. Grandeur of the Seas will return to Tampa on April 24th. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 0.5%, 17.03. Royal Caribbean up 0.5%, 136.87. And Norwegian down 2%, 20.16. If you have a lead on a story, drop us a line, tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. Behind-the-scenes content and extras are now available at patreon.com/cruiseradio.